The first task is to make panda move in a square with the help of pen. In our whole blocks we don't see pen, so in our blocks we go to extension, and extension is where different developers have created programming blocks so that we can extend our programming knowledge and create new programs. So developers like mBlock, Scratch and few other people have programmed these programming blocks and given us to use them. So we take this pen extension by Scratch, we add it, and we have erase all, pen down, pen up. We can also change the pen settings. So the first one we are going to try is, let's give this panda a position. Let's give this panda a position such that minus 130 and minus 50. Let's give it this position. So x and y position, which can be changed in the stage area. In stage area we can also manually change its size and direction and the name of the sprite. We can also show and hide our panda. So the first one, we're going to create an event. Our event is when the green flag is clicked. The green flag is located in the stage area. When the green flag is clicked, we are going to first put the pen down so that our panda can start drawing. So we put our pen down program. Then our panda should move. So for the movement we go to motion. On motion we have different blocks. Here, as we are going to be specific with the x value and the y value, because a square needs to have all the four sides equal in length, we are going to use glide to x and y axis. We are using glide with time is because the user need to show the drawing. First we are going to duplicate 4 because we have 4 sides in a square. Now we are going to change everything by 50 pixels. So first our panda should move up. So by 50 pixels we subtract it. When it's going up we add it with 50, so it will become 0 value in y. Then this remains 0. So the second one, it moves to the right. So if it is plus 50, it will be minus 80, and our minus 80 remains the same for x value in the third, and this goes again down, so minus 50, and to the original position minus 130 comma minus 50. Now then at last we'll put the pen up so that it stops drawing. So I'll give it a full screen mode and click on the flag. As you can see, our panda drew a square. I'll move the panda. Now it's drawn. Now I have to put it back to its position and clear it. For that I go to events and get 2 of these events where if I click a specific key, my program gets executed. So the first one is to erase all, so I use E, and my pen should erase all. So I click E, and in my stage it erases all. After that we have, let's give spacebar so that our panda goes to the position, initial position of minus 130 and minus 50. So I press space, it goes to the initial position. Now with the same use of this event, where when a single key is pressed, I can change my colors. So now I'll change my color to black. So this will be B for black, and I'll duplicate this here. I will get this color as red. Where is R? We have R here, so when I click that, it should change into red. So it changed to red. So when I go into full screen, I press red and I start the program. A red line is drawn. Now I press E to erase all. and I press B and green flag. Now my pen color is changed into black. Then close the program.